Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and I will show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first we need two things. The first one is the good lighting condition, because we have to see every mess that we have on the screen. As you can see in my case, there's no big deal, because I have here only few fingerprints and right here one greasy mark and also a few pieces of the dust. But you have to get the good lighting condition to see this mess, because we have to clean our screen and we have to make it in the good condition. And also it will be also sorry guys, we have to remember about the quiet place where no one or anything can distract us. So right now we can open the box with tempered glass, and inside we will find these two wipes and also the glass. So at the first we are going to start with these wipes. We are going to clean our screen with wet one. And how we can make it, that's simple. We have to make moves in the circle like that. You have to remember to reach a very corner and edge. And take a look, after a few moves we easily get rid of all of these marks from our display. So right now we have to simply move for the dry wipe and just do the same. So right now we have to remove these wet marks from the display. And after a few moves, it's almost finished. Okay, and right now we have to be sure that there is no any piece of the dust on the screen. So in my case I can find one right here at the bottom, so I'm gonna just put it right like that out of the screen. So basically you have to swipe in the one direction to remove all of this dust particles. Okay, in my case everything is fine with the display, so I can start with applying tempered glass. And we have to remove this sticker. This sticker is attached to the foil, so take a look. Just grab it like that, and there it is. Do it slowly. And right now, just hold it like that from corners and try to apply it evenly. And there it is. You have to keep holding the bottom part. And when everything is fine for both sides, like in my case, you have to put your finger right here and put on the screen the bottom part of the glass. And there it is. As you can see, it goes automatically. Let me just catch focus right here. Okay, there it is. As you can see, we have to press right here and also here to get it stick better. And right now we have to remove these marks. So we got the glue marks under the screen, and how to remove them, that's very simple. We have to just press with our fingernail or with our wipe, and as you can see it will disappear. So take a look. So that's what I'm going to do right now for the whole screen. Okay, and I almost remove all of these marks. I can find few of them right here and right here, but don't worry, they will disappear after a few days. So right now I can turn on the screen. And I will show you that there is no any problem with touch interaction. Okay, we almost finished, and there it is. Right now we can make the setup of our device. And as you can see, there is no any problem with the touch sensitivity. There is no ghost touching or something like that. Okay, I have to connect to the Wi-Fi network, so let me do this right now. Okay, so as you can see, that's how we can apply the tempered glass on your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.